Hi guys, I'm Marina and welcome to Comfort Life channel, the channel where I'm sharing with you tons of helpful tips and tricks for your health and beauty, as well as the recipes. Each week there is a new video, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and say hello in the comments below. Today I'm talking with you about my favorite spice, that will be paprika. Well, this is the sweet and, as they say, bright paprika. Well, I really literally put it in everything, so that's just how much I love it. But if you are a paprika fan or you're not, you need to know about its health benefits. It's pretty much loaded with anti-inflammatory compounds, so which is really great. If you're a fan of turmeric, you could actually use them both together. The first thing that we will pay attention to is the really bright, vivid color of paprika. Well, that's pigment actually it has. It makes it one of the most healthiest foods out there. Have you ever thought that foods like, strawberries, blueberries, avocados, leafy greens, they are all very bright and different in colors. They are so bright colored, and these are the products that definitely are full of antioxidants and good for your skin and health. Eat a rainbow, they say, right? I'm talking about this because these pigments, they are carotenoids. They act as powerful antioxidants, so pretty much protect us from free radical damage. Those free radicals, they actually account for the most of the aging effects that we see on our skin, and including into your diet, products that contain more of this carotenoids will help you to stay younger longer. Paprika contains a powerful carotenoid called beta-carotene. It has very strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and all that make it again a perfect thing for protecting our skin from premature aging. It protects our skin from oxidation, which is great. The bottom line here is that paprika is perfect for your skin health, and it's good for preventing the aging, the premature aging, and like the sagging look of the skin. But I think that acne also will tremendously benefit from that, because skin needs to be nourished in order for it to be able to heal. Paprika also contains a very crucial compound that's important for the health of our eyesight, and that is lutein. It also contains though vitamin A and vitamin B6, so this mixture altogether protects our eyes from various sources of harmful light, also reducing the risk of cataracts and age-related diseases. So I think it's really great. The next benefit, I think pretty obvious now, it fights the inflammation and protects us from the free radicals. I think that inflammation is a huge thing in our bodies, especially the chronic one, and providing so many foods that could help with that inflammation is vital. Paprika has this power to fight the free radicals, but what does it exactly mean? It helps to fight the DNA damage throughout your body. It also reduces the inflammation, which in turn reduces the risk for various types of cancers and other diseases. Talking about cancer, it has been proven that paprika has anti-cancer properties. It contains capsaicin, which actually gives the pepper its heat, but that compound also has several anti-cancer properties. Another benefit, the last one I would mention here, is that paprika also contains a compound called capsaicin. This is something that helps to reduce the bad cholesterol and improve the cholesterol, increases the good cholesterol, the HDL one that works as a spatula, in your arteries. So this is really a good plus. But again, not many studies have been done on that particular benefit, but I think a little information is also great. So how can you use paprika? Well, actually you can use your imagination and put it just on everything, from your maybe a salad to the avocado toast to roasted veggies, pretty much seriously everywhere. That's what I do. But one thing we need not to forget is that, as well as turmeric, paprika is fat soluble, so you need to have a little fat with it in order for it to get absorbed. So let's say if you're putting it on the salad, adding some extra virgin oil or avocado oil, or my favorite, walnut oil on top of that would be a great plus. I think that it is also easy when you're preparing your own dressings. They almost always contain the oil. You just add a little paprika in there, and if you add some black pepper, turmeric, well, this is just a super healthy spices to add in there to boost your overall health. So guys, I think this video was informative. You liked it. Now you know everything about paprika and its great health benefits. You can go ahead and buy one. What I would just suggest is to get something not irradiated, to get something organic as much as possible, non-GMO, and I'm not advertising this particular brand. It was actually on sale in Whole Foods, so I took advantage of it because sometimes spices might be a bit expensive, but you don't really need to use a lot of it. Just sprinkle a little bit, and actually even almost 2-ounce container will last you a long time. So guys, wish you all the best. Stay happy and healthy. Keep searching for the foods that are healing us instead of killing us. So I think this way it's a great start point to boosting our overall health. Emotional health will also be, I think, like boosted because you will know that you're doing something for yourself and your body will always pay you back. All the best, guys. If you like this video, please put the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be happy to see you in my next video.